Hi, Jonathan. Thanks for sending the work in. I have just a couple of quick things on the work you sent. You did a nice job on this. Um, so this here, you did a great job here. X is the number of people. But when you wrote your equation here, you just should have switched these two because 2 divided by 14 is not 7. So I think you intuitively knew what to do, but it really should have been 14 divided by 2 is X. And on this one here, don't skip the step of saying what X equals because that's really important. And the way you know what to set X equal to is by the question they ask. Whatever question they ask is what you want to set X equal to. So here they're talking about Fisher cats, and they say, how many are still out there? So you're going to set X equal to the number of Fisher cats out there. And it's as simple as that. Whatever the question is what you're going to set your X equal to. And then they say, security has caught 3 of them, but there are reports that there are a total of 8. So you know that 3 plus X has to equal 8. That is the equation that you want to write based on the words that they give you there. And then again, you solved it completely correctly because if you subtract 3 from both sides, you get X equals 5. So there are 5 Fisher cats out there. Same thing on this last one. Again, your answer is correct, but the process is just as important as the answer. So don't forget to say what X equals. So here they're talking about fidget spinners, and he's sharing his fidget spinners with his friends. And the question is, how many friends does Brad have? So you're going to set X equal to the number of friends Brad has. So the question will always tell you what to set X equal to. And then it says, Brad has 15 fidget spinners, so he's got 15 spinners. He shares them equally among his friends. Well, we don't know how many friends is, so we're going to call that X. So you're going to divide that by X because that's how he shares them among his friends. And they each get 3 fidget spinners. So that's one way to set it up. That's, of course, not the only way you could set it up. You could say 3X equals 15 would be fine as well. And again, you intuitively had the right idea here because ultimately you're going to take 15 divided by 3 and your answer is 5. All right. I'd also like you to check the pacing guide that I put on Google Classroom because you really need to probably do more than 3 problems a day if you want to try and finish this work by the end of term 4. It will also tell you when there's a test or quiz coming up. So take a look at that. And if you are at the point of taking a quiz, let me know. Again, if you have questions, please email me. Thanks. See ya.